I was very surprised when I made this chicken recipe for the first time. It's super simple, yet the taste was amazing. With just a few ingredients and a quick cooking process, I ended up with crispy, juicy chicken recipe that everyone loved. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. The flavor is spicy, the texture is perfect, and the whole recipe comes together in no time. So let's make the recipe. Take 1 cup of boneless chicken and add into a blender jar and blend well until smooth and finely minced. Once blended, transfer the chicken to a mixing bowl. Blending helps make the texture soft and easy to shape. Now add 1 egg with the chicken, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Finely chop 2 green chilies. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of chopped long beans, and 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to the mixture. This also gives the chicken a nice crispy texture when fried. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Add half teaspoon of salt to adjust the taste. Mix everything very well so that the spices, vegetables and chickens are evenly coated. In a frying pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. You don't need too much oil, just enough to shallow fry the pakoras. Scoop out 1 tablespoon of the chicken mixture and gently place it into the oil. Slightly flatten the mixture if you prefer a round patty shape. Use a lid while frying to prevent oil from splattering. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in small batches for best result. This is a quick and easy snack that's full of flavor, crunch and comfort. With just a few basic ingredients, you can turn ordinary chicken into something truly delicious. Once the pakoras are golden brown and crispy, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate with tissue paper to absorb any extra oil. Serve them with your favorite dip, green chutney, tomato ketchup or a spicy mayo. These crispy delights are perfect for tea time snacks or even a light dinner. Enjoy them fresh and warm for the best taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel.